Production starts here, with carefully selected hardwood sawdust. Every incoming batch is inspected upon arrival. Moisture content is checked. It must range max between 30 to 50% for optimal processing. If approved, the sawdust is unloaded into our clean, dry storage area, ready for briquette production. Our workers use front loaders to transfer these sawdust batches into the factory intake zone. This is our indoor sawdust staging area. Each batch varies in moisture and often contains impurities like bark and softwood scraps. That's why every load is carefully pre-processed before entering the briquette press. The sawdust is then moved to the processing line and fed into a screening system that removes bark, fine dust and other impurities. This step ensures the material is clean and consistent for the next stage of production. After screening, the sawdust becomes clean and consistent. What's removed during this process, bark, dust and scraps, isn't wasted. Our team collects and reuses it as biomass fuel for heat generation, reducing waste and supporting sustainable manufacturing. Once screened, the sawdust enters our drying system, where it's evenly dried at 150 degrees Celsius. This step reduces moisture and stabilizes the material for briquette forming. After drying, the clean sawdust is transported to our refined storage area, ready for the high-pressure pressing stage. At our factory, we use two types of briquette molds, hexagonal and square. Among these, the hexagonal shape is more commonly used. Inside the high-pressure extruder, sawdust is tightly compressed under heat and pressure to form solid charcoal briquette logs. These logs are continuously extruded through the mould, smooth-surfaced with a centre ventilation hole. Our workers inspect the quality on site and stack them on carts for transfer to the storage area, where they cool down completely before the next stage. Each freshly pressed briquette log measures approximately 5 centimetres in diameter and up to 40 centimetres in length, depending on the mould and cutting settings. Once fully cooled, the sawdust briquettes are packed into cartons according to customer specifications. They are then stored in our warehouse, ready for container loading and export.